Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. I am your English teacher and please open your book, English books. Dear students, this is our second class of the same lesson and we will continue the reading the second part of the lesson today. I will remind you last lesson in few sentences. You will recall it in your mind, right? So we read about the mother to son yesterday, and in this poem mother is trying to tell her son that life for her is not so easy. She has faced many hardships, and she is trying to tell her son sometimes she climbed up, sometimes she lands down, and many turning corners she has faced, but never give up. But never gave up means his mother has faced many difficulties, many hardships in life, but she never turned back and never gave up. So dear students, this is our previous lecture, and today our new topic is working with words. Means this is the exercise of this poem. Find all the non-standard words used in the poem, write them out along with their correct meaning and form. Don't forget to list all the words with an apostrophe. हाणे हिते सिंधी में मतलब इन जो आहे त जेके भी पोम में वर्ड्स लिखियल आहिनि नॉन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में असांखे उन्हनि खे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में आणो आहे. नॉन स्टैंडर्ड मीन्स जेको विदाउट ग्रामर वी कैन से जेको विदाउट ग्रामर यूज़ थियल हुजनि, ऐं स्टैंडर्डाइज़ फॉर्म माना विद ग्रामर मीन्स विद रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन जेके यूज़ थियल हुजनि. हाणे तव्हां ॾिसी सघो था वर्ड्स हिते जेके एपोस्ट्रॉफी सां गॾु आहिनि. आइल टेल यू, ॾिसो आहे हिते आइल टेल यू, या ॿियो असां वर्ड ॾिसूं था आइंट, AIN एपोस्ट्रॉफ T, and the next word is climbing, eyes, landing, reaching, turning, going, and don't, and last one is going, eyes, and ain't, again ain't. Means these are the apostrophe words, non-standard words, and we must correct it. That write these sentences using standard and grammatically correct English चए थो त हिननि खे तव्हां स्टैंडर्डाइज़ फॉर्म में लिखो ऐं इन खे ग्रामेटिकली इंग्लिश में करेक्ट सही करे लिखो. हाणे जीअं ॾिसो हिते मां लिखियो आहे त मिसिंग वर्ड्स आइंट जो करेक्ट वर्ड असां जेकॾहिं वठूं त हैज़ नॉट और एम नॉट. लाइक दिस वे आइज़ is the correct word of I have and I am. Climbing, reaching, landing, turning means there is the missing letter of G at their ends. You can see that reaching जेकॾहिं असां इन खे G लॻाए छॾियूं त रीचिंग थी वेंदो. छा थी वेंदो? रीचिंग थी वेंदो. अहिड़ी तरीक़े सां लैंडिंग आहे लैंडिंग थी वेंदो. मतिलबु इन देयर इज़ द मिसिंग ऑफ G letter in at their ends. Cause पोम में cause वर्ड भी यूज़ थियल आहे मीन्स बिकॉज. मीन्स डियर स्टूडेंट्स you should know that how to turn the constructions. I'll means I will, don't, do not. Means write these sentences using standard and grammatically correct English. मां हाणे तव्हांखे ॿुधाए छॾियो आहे त ain't means has not, I am not, माना इन खे करेक्शन फॉर्म में तव्हांखे हाणे कीअं करिणो आहे. For example, first sentence is I is expecting a friend for dinner. I am expecting a friend for dinner. Look here that I's खे असां I am में भी कन्वर्ट करे सघूं था. I's खे असां I am में भी कन्वर्ट करे सघूं था. ऐं एक्सपेक्टिंग जीअं मां तव्हांखे सम्झाए वई आहियां त कुझु अहिड़ा वर्ड्स आहिनि पोम में यूज़ थियल जेके जिन जे लास्ट में G वर्ड मिसिंग आहे. मीन्स देयर इज़ अ मिसिंग ऑफ G लेटर. ओके, नाउ द करेक्ट सेंटेंस इज I am expecting a friend for dinner. And second one is I've been waiting at this bus stop for 1 hour. Now use I've been. हाणे ॾिसो आइज़ खे असां आई हैव बि करे सघूं था. यू कैन सी दैट आइज़ खे असां आई हैव में बि कन्वर्ट करे सघूं था. ऐं इन जो करेक्ट फॉर्म हे थींदो आई हैव बीन वेटिंग एट दिस बस स्टॉप for 1 hour. I have been waiting at this bus stop for 1 hour. Same this like this. Third sentence is I aren't going to the cinema tonight. I aren't going to the cinema tonight. Dear students, you can see that word aren't and you can see the word going. As I told you, the aren't word we can use has not or am not. बट असां हिते जुमले जे हिसाब सां सूटेबल वर्ड करे खणंदासीं पुट कंदासीं. वी पुट द करेक्ट वर्ड in the sentence like I am not going cinema tonight. I am not going cinema tonight. And the fourth sentence is they's been kinder sleepy today. You can see the apostrophe behind the they. And the correct form of the sentence, they have been kind of sleepy today. They have been kind of sleeping today. And fifth one is she stayed at home cause she was ill. Hane in front of cause there is apostrophe. Cause, here I mentioned that cause word used instead of because. असां cause जे बदिरां असांखे because word असांखे यूज़ करिणो आहे. हिन जो करेक्ट फॉर्म हे थींदो she stayed at home because she was ill. She stayed at home. cause जी जगह ते असां because लगाए छॾींदासीं because she was ill. And the last one sentence is you ain't doing this at all if you find it's too difficult to do now. हाणे ॾिसो जीअं मां तव्हांखे मथे पढ़ाई वई आहियां त ain't जो यूज़ेज असांखे हैज़ नॉट में बि करे था सघूं, असां am नॉट में बि करे सघूं था या are नॉट में बि करे सघूं था. हाणे ॾिसो you are not doing this at all if you find it is too difficult to do now. Thank you students. Listen video again and again. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.